In today's video, I'll show you how to create a simple in and out board in Microsoft Teams using built-in presence and status messages. This makes it easy for your teammates to instantly see if you're available, busy, away, or offline, without needing any extra tools. To get started, open your web browser and go to Sign into your account if prompted. Once Microsoft Teams loads, look at the top right corner and click your profile picture. This is where your availability and presence settings are managed. You'll see your current status, such as available. Click on it and choose the status that best reflects what you're doing, whether that's busy, away, do not disturb, or appear offline. Think of this as updating your name on a physical in and out board. After selecting a status, hover over your profile to make sure the change appears immediately. Next, let's add more context by using a status message. Click your profile picture again and select Set Status Message. Enter a short, clear message that tells your teammates what you're working on or how they can reach you. To make sure it's visible when it matters, enable the option to show the message when people message you. You can also set it to clear automatically by choosing Clear Status Message after and selecting a time frame that matches your schedule, such as today. Click Done to save. Hover over your profile once more to confirm that both your presence and status message are displayed together. This combination acts as a clean and effective in and out board inside Microsoft Teams. Now let's confirm that calendar events can also update your status automatically. First, clear your custom status message and set your presence back to available so we're starting from a clean slate. Then open a new tab and go to Open your calendar and create a meeting for the current time. Choose more options to open the full meeting editor, add a clear title, include attendees if needed, and click Send to save the event. Switch back to Microsoft Teams. After a short moment, your presence should update automatically to reflect the meeting, usually showing busy or in a meeting. Hover over your profile to verify the change. This means your availability stays accurate without any manual updates. Here are a few quick tips to keep everything working smoothly. Choose presence statuses that truly reflect your availability, keep status messages short and professional, and always use autoclear so old messages don't stick around. If updates don't appear right away, try refreshing your browser and make sure you're signed into the same account in both Teams and Outlook. With this setup, your team can rely on Microsoft Teams as a real-time in and out board. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful tutorials.